Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever since I've made one, but today I want to show you a little video of me trying to organize one of my drawers in particular in the kitchen that's driving me crazy. I'll show you what it looks like right now. Okay, so this is my drawer in my kitchen. It's my tea towels and like oven mitts, washcloths kind of thing. And I have like this little basket here of random napkins, candles, you know, restaurant, takeout, pamphlets and all that kind of stuff. It's totally packed full, as you can see, and it drives me crazy that I can't get to these tea towels. And the reason why it's so jam-packed is my kitchen is not very big and I only have three top drawers that are actually in this kitchen that I can put anything in. So I wish I had my drawers, more drawers, but this will have to do. So I will take all this stuff out and clean it up and see what I can do. Let's go. Sorry, my video cut off of the storage was full, so I wasn't able to show the last like second of me filling up the drawer. But I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like now. As you can see, I have the tea towels still in the back, but they are much easier to see all of them now. Because yes, I have seen one episode of that Marie Kondo Netflix series, and it did give me some hints as to how to fold a little bit better to make it more visible. So what you have, which is what really makes it easier for you to get at your things. So here are my oven, well, my oven glove they call this, and any other kind of stuff where you need for grabbing hot stuff. Washcloths right here, all my tea towels in a row, and still I have this little basket, but I threw anything out that I didn't need or that was junk, candles and all that, and it's just much easier. So I'm happy with that. Close it up. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it inspired you to maybe tackle one of those small little things in your house that's needs some organizing and it's really getting to you. It took me about 15 minutes, so not very long. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see any type of other cleaning or organizing videos, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks guys!